Hello everyone. Welcome to the second lecture on building a website in Bloggers. In this video, I will show how you can create a website in a Blogger from scratch. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet and press the bell icon to get the latest updates from my channel. Let's get started. To create a website in a Blogger you need a Gmail account. Here I will use the blogspot domain of Blogger. You can attach a custom domain with this Blogger as well. Video is already uploaded on my channel. Okay. Type blogger.com in a search bar and go to this page. Now click on this button to create a new blog. Choose your Google account. You can also create a new account as well. Choose a name for your blog. Better to choose a name based on your niche. Here I'm going with my channel name. Choose a URL for your blog. You can also add your custom domains such as .com, .net, or .org later. Choose a name that will be displayed on your blog. I am going with the same name. Now hit the Finish button. So we have created a basic blog. Now I will upload a premium theme to this blog. You can also use this theme as well. Go to the theme option. Here you can see lots of free themes options as well. Let's select a random theme. I am going with this theme. Let's apply and preview this theme. Here you can see that our theme is active now. I am just showing you to play around. Now click on this Customize button, check the available options to edit this theme. The first thing is we can add a background image for this theme. You can also change the theme color by clicking this color palette and selecting any color which you want. You can also choose by default background images as well by clicking on this option. Let's explore the advanced option of this theme. Here you can see different options for colors, font style, font size, and color. You can also play with different options. You can add different gadgets for this theme. Right now About Me gadget is active. You can add other gadgets from this drop-down menu. So you can check all the available options from the customization tab. Now to add a custom theme, click here and choose the Restore option. Upload the XML file of your theme. So we have uploaded our premium theme. Click on the View Blog option. Here you go, we have successfully updated our theme. So, this was a basic lecture about how to create a professional website in a Blogger. Hope this video will help you a lot. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment box. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and press the bell icon to get the latest updates from my channel. That's all for today. See you in the next video with more exciting stuff.